Blake and Maria, thank you again very much for joining me with this conversation. First of all, congratulations. I'm so happy to number one, get to know you, but more important, to hear your story. I purposely did not want the girls telling me anything about your story because I wanted to hear it from you. So tell me a little about yourselves, a little background, about yourselves, and then just tell me how you met, and like just your experience going through the Iris dating app.
Well, I'm originally from Illinois, Chicago area. Moved to Florida about 15 years ago. Actually, yeah, it is 15 years ago now. And I had a couple relationships that weren't that great, and stayed single after my most recent relationship before Maria for quite some time. And then a lot of my friends and family, they were getting tired of me being single. So a friend of mine actually sent me the Iris app and said, hey, you need to try this out. So I did. But it led me to her. I mean, I can't complain at all. It worked perfectly. So with my experience on the app, I was actually very surprised at how it was formatted 2 years ago. And I guess from what I hear, it's improved since then, which is awesome. But it was formatted in a way that I couldn't like put it down. I got onto it and I was just surprised because it works so flawlessly. And the first day that I downloaded it, I kind of played around with it, and then kind of went through all of my swipes because I decided to do the free one, which is fine. But I noticed, because it gave you a preview of kind of who was next back then. I don't know if it still does or not. And I saw her and I was like, okay, yeah, I'm getting back on. So I got back on. She was still there, thankfully, and I swiped and it was an instant match. So I have no complaints on how the app worked. It did exactly what it was supposed to do.
Even though I mentioned that about the distance being an issue, I think for us was actually a good thing, because since we only saw each other during the weekend, we were able to do things like our personal things separately during the week. And then by the time the weekend came, we were completely free to spend time with each other, get to know each other, have fun, do different things. And then going back to each individual houses, eventually we were able to miss each other. Even though we weren't that far away, it was only an hour and a half drive, but it was hard to do during the week. So I think that also kind of helped us to like each other better and build the relationship.
So basically what I think that the I guess lesson learned or would be that even for those people who have a distance between them, there's hope for you, there's light at the end of the tunnel, because a lot of times people think, oh, it's too far, it's not going to work out. But the truth is, you never know, maybe
I was one of those people. I was like, no, it's too far. I'm not gonna make it, or I'm gonna get tired. And no, but I think it work. Also with the right person, and like you said, with patience, we both worked hard to be patient and make it work technically when we were separate and when we were together. So it takes a little work, but it was worth it. Absolutely.
This is really amazing. Let's keep in touch. Let's stay in touch. I really definitely want to do something special for you guys. I'm so happy. This is such a wonderful story. Thank you for sharing it with us.
Of course.
Absolutely.
And with your permission, we would like to post it on our website and just let people know this is what you could have. This is a happy ending. And I'm just, like I said, I'm delighted to get to know you. And congratulations again on many fronts. And thank you again. It was very, very nice to meet you both.
Absolutely. Thank you. Likewise.